There comes a point in life when we just get so tired of explaining ourselves, giving a damn about any text, anyone's rejection, opinion or disrespect. फिर वो चाहे किसी का shitty message हो, unwanted opinion हो, disrespect हो या rejection हो. And just like this, something inside you changes one day. You realize that peace is more important than proving yourself to anyone else. And that's the day, my love, when you start becoming mentally untouchable. Not cold, not emotionless, or not even rude. Just unreachable by negativity. You know what? Mentally untouchable people understand one thing very clearly. Not everything deserves their reaction. These days, people are emotionally controlled by everything that goes around them. One bad comment ruins their day. One rejection destroys their confidence. One comparison makes them literally hate their own life. They just hand over the remote control of their emotions to strangers. But mentally untouchable people, they treat their mind like it's a temple. The first step to become mentally untouchable is to stop taking validation from people around you. The moment you constantly seek validation is the moment when you start becoming mentally weak. Because now your happiness totally depends on other people's opinion. And guess what? People are so unpredictable and inconsistent. One day they will clap for you, and the very next day they will criticize you. Look, if you build your identity on applause, you will collapse the moment silence arrives. You have to reach a point where you can say like, I know who I am, even when no one else is watching me. And you know what? That's actually real power, real confidence. It doesn't scream, it doesn't beg to be noticed, it simply exists. Number 2, learn the art of emotional detachment. Not from people, but from expectations, because most pain comes from expectation. You expect loyalty, you expect honesty, you expect efforts. And when reality doesn't matches the imagination, you start to suffer. Mentally untouchable people don't really expect much from people. I mean, they do appreciate, but they don't depend. Because dependence creates emotional slavery. And freedom begins when you no longer depend on someone else's behavior. Read that again. Your mood should not be controlled by someone else's actions. And that's called emotional mastery. Another thing that mentally untouchable people understand is silence is power. You really need to keep this one thing in your mind, and that is not every battle deserves your energy. Some people want reactions, some people want drama, some people just try to provoke you because chaos is the only language that they understand. But when you remain calm, you actually win. A calm mind intimidates chaotic person because they can't control you. And once people realize that they can't really manipulate you emotionally, they lose power over you. And that's why we say that silence is actually very powerful and dangerous. Now listen to me very carefully. You will never become mentally strong if you keep avoiding discomfort. You might have heard this that pain, heartbreak, rejection, failure builds people. See, these things either destroy you or transform you. People who are mentally weak ask themselves questions like, why is this thing happening to me? But people who are mentally untouchable ask themselves like, what this thing is teaching to me? And that mindset shift changes everything, because now you stop seeing yourself as a victim. Now let's talk about another powerful habit. Stop taking everything personally. Most people are projecting their own pain. Someone tries to insult you, maybe they hate themselves. Someone ignores you, maybe they are fighting battles that you don't see. Someone doubts you, maybe they never had courage to believe in themselves. I think it's high time that we should understand that everything is not about us. And once we realize this completely, we will stop carrying unnecessary emotional weightage. We become lighter, calmer and stronger. And lastly, protect your energy at all cost. I've said this thing numerous of times. Not everyone deserves access to you, not your energy. Some people drain your spirit so badly. Some people just bring negativity to you. Some people only appear when they need something from you. Learn to walk away. Learn to say no. Learn to outgrow people without any guilt. Because protecting your peace does not mean being rude or selfish. It's very essential for your survival. Because obviously, you cannot build a beautiful life with a disturbed mind. So if you really want to become mentally untouchable, stop begging for validation. Stop giving attention to each and everything. Stop letting temporary emotions control your permanent decisions. Stop fearing loneliness and just stop depending on others for your happiness. Just try to master your mind and remember one thing, no one can control your mind and your life. And don't forget that mentally untouchable person is not someone who can feel nothing. It's someone who feels everything but still remains in control. Be so secure within yourself that chaos around you no longer creates chaos within you. If this video changes your perspective even a little, make sure to subscribe to my channel and do like my videos.